Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to edit camera modes in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, open camera and go to more button, and here click on edit button, and here you can bring items in the more button to more mode to basic mode. Okay, so just click pick up, hold and drag like this, and it will come to the main mode. Okay, that is home page mode. Okay, if you would like to bring one of the item from home page mode to more mode, yes, you can do it. From there, just drag like this. Okay, and from the more mode to home page mode or home page to more mode, just you can drag between these two and place there. Okay, so in this way you can easily edit camera mode. Okay, click on done and go here. Here Pano is available as of now. Okay, so in this way you can easily edit camera modes in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.